Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Here in Texas is actually, I think it's like 40 something degrees, I think 40. And it's actually a cold day today. It was raining. But anyway, we're going to continue with the series that I'm working on, which is called Small Paintings, Snack Size Paintings. And this is going to be number 3. Okay? And this one's called Rose Music Sheet. And it says it's by Diamond Art Club. That's interesting, huh? I've never seen that before. Okay, as you can see, look how tiny it is, guys. It's like perfect size. And it's a round, okay? And it comes in this cute shiny box. And then of course on the side it says scan me and you can unlock for 10% off. And it tells you what's inside the box and step-by-step instructions. All right. I'm really excited. I'm actually almost finished with, I'm working on coffee cup and I'm almost finished. Okay, so let's see, what do we have in here? This is an older kit, guys, so you can tell, okay, because you see the kit, it's the older kit. All right, let's put that aside. So we have a small sticker, and this you can put on your box or on your logbook. Okay. Let's open up the toolkit. Now I'm really loving these small paintings because, like I mentioned before, they're perfect. They're perfect size. They're excellent for beginners. If you're a beginner and you want to try it out to see if you like diamond painting. They're also great. Oh, I can't get this out. They're also great for gifts. So for friends, for birthdays, and especially now for Mother's Day. Also, if you're traveling during the holidays, or on a road trip. And on top of that, they're very easy to do, guys. Everything is in the box, everything's included. Okay, so here you have the bags, resealable bags, just in case you don't have the containers with you. Okay, so you can put them in here. Oops, let's put that aside. And it comes with a diamond pen, and it comes with a grip, a pen grip. Okay, you're supposed to put this in, which I could never do. Let's see. Aha, there you go. I did it, guys. See, it's supposed to help with your fingers, okay, when you're diamond painting. And it comes also with 2 heart-shaped waxes, a placer, and a tray. Like I said, comes with everything. All right, let's put that aside. Let's put the sticker aside. And let's look at the beautiful painting. It comes, they all come in this shiny, not shiny, they all come in this plastic bag. And it's perfect because it protects your painting while it's traveling. Okay, so and it always says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Let's open up this baby. Look how tiny it is, guys. It's just adorable. Okay, and all the Diamond Art Club canvases are super soft, guys. All right, so let's see. In here should be the drills. So let's get the drills out first. Here comes the big sticker, and the big sticker, you could either put it on your logbook or you could put it on a binder. I bought a small binder. Look how beautiful that is, guys. Okay, and it says Rose Music Sheet by Diamond Art Club. And you put the start date and the end date. And it comes with the pre-cut stickers, and you could put these on the containers if you like. Always comes with step-by-step instructions. Okay, tips and tricks, and it says thank you for purchasing this beautiful painting. These are the drills, and I love that it always has a sticker, and it tells you that this is Rose Music Sheet, and this belongs to these drills belong to that painting, just in case you separate, which I do. Oh my gosh, guys, let's see. And of course, I'm gonna roll it because you can with this canvas. Okay. All right, let's see. Voila, and look at how gorgeous it is, guys. Just love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it says always on the top, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. And then it also has a picture in the bottom, and it basically, again, tells you it's Rose Music Sheet. It's 7.9 inches by 10.6 inches, and it's 20 centimeters by 27 centimeters. Okay, it's by Diamond Art Club. Okay, and it always has 2 legends. It tells you, this light, let's see. Oh, but it's not bothering you guys, the glare, sorry. It always comes in 2 legends, and one is always on the right and one on the left. when you look at the legend, guys, it basically tells you that it has 23 colors, and then in the middle are the symbols, and the symbols are what you find on the painting, and that's where you're going to place the drills. And then of course this is the color code, so that is the DMC code. And this has 23 colors and it has 1 AB. Okay, so let's look at this beautiful painting. Like I mentioned, it's round, 21 colors, 1 AB, and if you look at it, it's got this beautiful rose, and it looks like it's got reds in there and oranges, and maybe like a little bit of like a yellow orange here. And then over here you have the music sheet, and it looks like the and this is like a black and white. I believe this is a black and white music sheet. So you look at this painting, it's just, and then it's just very what's the word, romantic, and it's very soft, you know. It looks like somebody maybe is a music teacher, or somebody that is at home, likes to play maybe the piano or some kind of instrument, or the euphonium. My daughter loved to play the euphonium, and then somebody came by and placed the little rose to let them know that they love you. It probably could be also a mom or a dad, you know. And then of course it's got a little bit of black in the background, and of course the leaves and the stem. Just very pretty, guys. Okay, let me bring it up so you can see. Hopefully it's not blurry. The camera sometimes does that. All right, and then goes the rose and the music sheet. Okay. All right, so let's put it aside. Actually, I could put it here. And let's look at the drills. All right, let us begin. 310 is black. I think you can see them right there. 321 is red. 356 is terracotta medium. And 498 is red dark. 606 is bright orange red. 608 is burnt orange bright. And 666 is red bright. It's probably all these probably for the flower. 754 is peach light. And 758 is terracotta very light. Okay. 814 is garnet dark. 839 is beige brown dark. And 890 is pistachio green ultra dark. 904 is parrot green very dark. 905 is parrot green medium. 939 is navy blue very dark. 948 is peach very light. And 951 is tawny light. 3340 is apricot medium. 3341 is apricot. 3371 is black brown. 3778, I did not write that one down, but it's like a peachy color, like a dark peach. And 3854 is autumn gold medium. Okay, beautiful, beautiful colors. And then of course this is the AB, and the AB is 134. All right, so let's put the colors away and let's bring back the beautiful painting, and let us see where this AB belongs. And I think it's going to be, as you can see, the green, which is going to be the leaves. Let's see. So yep, let's see. So you have it here on the leaf. It's around the leaf. It's on the leaf. I believe that's another leaf, or that's a stem. That's the stem actually. And then these are leaves, and then it's more on this leaf. Okay, but you could actually add some ABs, and you know, you could add ABs probably on the music, okay, or maybe on the rose, probably on the rose. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like it or you love it, And I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and be safe and be kind. Bye-bye. Thank you very much, guys.